Corn snack. Ingredients: grated corn, corn kernels, tadka, mustard seeds and cumin seeds cracked in hot oil with hing and turmeric powder added to it, green chili and curry leaves, sugar, salt and lemon juice to taste, chopped coriander and grated coconut for garnishing. In a microwave safe glass bowl, mix all ingredients except garnishing. Stir well. Microwave on high power for 4 to 5 minutes. Stir. Sprinkle some water. Cover and microwave again in medium power for 2 to 3 minutes. Now give standing time of 2 to 3 minutes and then take it out. Corn snack is ready. Garnish and serve hot.